Under $300,000 in a central Richmond location, surrounded by new development, minutes to Sugar Land, and conveniently located to 59 and 99. Welcome to 2019 Haven Springs.
Got that hot vibe, high energy, make her wanna lose her clothes in a backseat. Thick curls, wild and free. I'ma treat you good if you let me. Tell me that it's real, 'cause I'm falling hard. Tell me your ideas, like use my face card. You way beyond my league, but we in my backyard, yard, yard. Till I saw those. Is this true? Is it in my mind? I need to know what's up.